Hello, my name is Jim Olson, and this is a short video on how to use Polypad from Mathagon for virtual color tiles. Start at mathagon.org, then hit Polypad at the top. Mathagon is a huge site and it's growing very often, and there is a great set of virtual manipulatives here, and this is just to zoom into one option. You're going to hit geometry, then you're going to hit polygons, and we just want to do color tiles today. So I'm going to bring in a color tile here, and as a demonstration, I'm going to show how we can use this manipulative to demonstrate how to add up the first n integers. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Once we have a tile here, you can copy it, and this makes this easy to use. It snaps nicely. There's 1 and 2. I think I'll copy that and copy this guy. So here's 1, 2, and 3. And now let's get 1, 2, 3, and 4. My goal is to find a formula for adding up integers starting with 1. So once you select a grouping, it becomes a little movable group. That's nice. One of the things about adding up the integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can think of it as stair steps. And I'm going to go ahead and make this one whole here. I'm going to join this. It's still 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And now I'm going to duplicate that. So I have 2 copies of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And I think I want to make this one a different color just for variety. And now an interesting thing can happen when I have these. I can rotate this around and put these together, and lo and behold, I have a rectangle. Notice that this rectangle is 4 high and 5 wide. So the total here is 4 times 5, which is 20. If I want to know just what the blue part is, half of 20 is 10. So let me see if I can write that down as a formula. It might be that you don't want to join them together so that you see the little lines between the tiles. They can still be moved as a group, and we see the same result. To conclude, here I have written down our specific number example. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 times 5 over 2, which is 10. In general, if you want to add up the numbers up to some number n, you get n times n plus 1 over 2. This has been a video on how to use Polypad from Mathagon for virtual color tiles. Have a great day.